Well, what do you know? It looks like my new collapsible folding cart from Vevor has arrived. It's only 3 days after I ordered it. Well, let's do a unboxing and see exactly what's in this box. And slide it out and let's see what we got. Wow, would you look at the size of these tires? That's the first thing that jumps out at you there. They're wider than my hand. These would roll on beach sand or anywhere. This looks pretty good. And how about that? It's got no assembly required, it appears. Came right in the box. And so I guess all we have to do is just pull it out and it's ready to go. Let's give it a try. And it comes with a user manual right in the box, right inside the cart. And then the back, we're just going to take these two Velcro strips and attach them over this back handle. And this cart is assembled. This cart is assembled now and ready for use. Boy, that was easy. So now that I've got it assembled, let's check out and see how this handle works. I think you just, pop it out, and then you can get it to whatever length you want. A short person might want it here, and you just lock it like that. And then if it's a larger person like me, you would want to pull it out. And if you wanted it not all the way, you could lock it here, and now you've got the handle adjusted. So let's go over and put a load in it and see how it works. Now this is one of the main reasons I wanted it. Is we buy lots of fertilizer and mulch and stuff like that here for the back garden yard, and it's always a real pain to get the wheelbarrow and then have to take it up that hill over there. So this cart's supposed to help with that problem. So let's see how this works. This is 3 cubic feet. If you notice, this mulch is 2 cubic feet. So I'm going to try to put 2 bags of mulch into my 3 cubic foot cart. There's the first one. And there's the second one. And it fits really nice. Now, here's the real test. How is it going to pull up this hill? Oh, it's just gliding up that hill. So much easier than a wheelbarrow. Over the hose, no problem. But now we've got a problem. My wife loves to use these rock trails, and now we want to get the mulch over there. So I'm going to have to try to see if it'll go over these rock trails. These big wide wheels are amazing. Just coming right over these rocks. And right on up here where we could mulch around these plants here, if that's what she wants to do. All in, I've probably got close to 150 pounds in there, this wet mulch. Most of the time you wouldn't be hauling that much up anyway. We'd do this one bag at a time. But I wanted to use 2 bags just to show you how sturdy and strong this cart is. So one more thing I want to show you is how the brakes work. Okay, so I've got the same 150 pounds, 4 cubic feet of mulch in the cart, and I'm on this incline that I had to pull it up. Now I want to stop right here and put mulch, say right over here in these flowers. So what I want to do is I want to lock it down. And so to do that, you just take your foot, that's locked one side, that's locked the other side, and it's just sitting still, nice and locked. Pull on it, it's not rolling. So then, if you want to unlock it, it's very simple. You just push down on this and push down on this with your shoe, and now here it comes. Really nice feature, the locking brake. And then of course here's your cup holders, and so if you want to have your coffee and your water right here with you, you've got it. So folks, if you're interested in buying this, I saw online at $78.99, and I've got a link in the description to this video of you can click on this link and you can get a discount courtesy of watching this channel. And this one came to me in only 3 days, so I can't guarantee you'll get it that fast, but I've also seen online, and when I went to Costco, I saw another competing model that looked almost exactly like this one, and it was priced at $96 at Costco. So this is a really good price for this cart. And so here's a folding wagon, and it says it has with brakes. It's got a couple of drink holders up front, and it is Costco priced at $96.99. Once again, it's made out of steel, and it looks like it'll last a good while. I think it would be a great cart with these wide wheels to take it to the beach. If you wanted to roll it through the sand on the beach, I think it'd roll very well. You could also do your grocery shopping at stores like Aldi and Little, some of those that you could probably even take it to Costco and buy your stuff if you weren't buying that much. So the answer is, this is a very handy cart at a very nice price, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next video.